Sometimes the smallest cookies leave the sweetest impact. Dear Professor, Salam Alaikum. Please call me Mariam, not my real name, but the one I hope you'll remember me by. I was once your student in Oman, in a class that unknowingly changed my life. I came from a humble and big family, the sixth child among many hearts and voices under one roof. Life was never luxurious, but it was full of warmth, laughter, and the comforting scent of bread and spices in our small kitchen. I found solace and joy in baking. It wasn't just something to pass the time, it became my way of expressing love when words fell short. Perhaps you remember me as the girl who often brought cookies to class, still warm from the early morning oven. Nervously, I'd offer them to you and my classmates, unsure if they'd be enjoyed, but you accepted them with a smile every time. I still remember your words. This is more than baking. This is passion. That moment stayed with me. Your gentle encouragement gave life to a dream I didn't know I had permission to pursue. After college, while many of my peers sought office jobs or moved Muscat, I stayed. I took a leap of faith and opened a tiny bake shop in the heart of the city. I started with one oven, 2 shelves, and a prayer. Today, by Allah's grace, I now own 2 stores, each filled with the scent of cinnamon, chocolate, and hope. But beyond business, my heart is most full during Ramadan. It's a tradition now. Every year my sisters, cousins, and I gather in our kitchen. We bake hundreds of small cookies, prepare dates, and ready bottles of water. Just before iftar, we stand by the roadside, handing them to passers-by, strangers, workers, elders walking alone, to see their faces light up with gratitude. That's the sweetness no recipe can match. Each bite we give carries our story, of struggle, of sacrifice, and of silent prayers whispered between oven timers. It's more than charity, it's remembrance, a tribute to where we came from. What I've learned is this: you don't need a loud voice to make a difference. Sometimes, it's enough to let your hands do the talking, whether through kneading dough, writing code, or helping others quietly. Your background, no matter how simple, can be the very foundation of your greatness. To every young student out there, unsure of your path, thinking your dreams are too small or that your passion is just a hobby, don't give up. Pursue it with heart. Find people who see your spark and fan it into flame. And when you rise, never forget to reach back and lift others. Thank you, Professor, for believing in a girl with flower on her sleeves and a heart full of dreams.